Okay, we're going to take a look at a fraction divided by a whole number. And once again, we need to draw this. I can't emphasize this enough. If you can draw a math problem, you can solve a math problem. If you have difficulty drawing the math problem, you will have difficulty in solving the math problem. So let's draw 3/4. I'm going to make a bar here, divide it into fourths, because my denominator tells me how many pieces to cut the bar or the whole into. I can shade 3 of those, because I'm representing 3/4. Now, if you can get that much done, you're well on your way to solving this problem. If you have no idea what I just did, you're not totally a lost cause, but it's very helpful to be able to draw these pictures. So I encourage you to draw the pictures. There's another way we're going to take a look at how to solve these. For those of you who have difficulty with the drawing, just a memorization of keep, change, flip, and we'll take a closer look at that in a second. Now, I've got my drawing of 3 3/4, and I'm going to divide that by 2. I'm simply going to divide that by 2 by drawing a line straight through the bar. I've divided this into 2. Pretty cut and dry. Now, I can figure out what my new denominator is simply by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my new denominator now is 8, because the denominator always tells you how many pieces that the WHOLE is cut into. That's what's going on in the drawing. Let's come back over here. We got keep, change, flip. You see this division sign, you think keep, change, flip. Period. Division sign, keep, change, flip. That's it. Now, 3/4 divided by, and I'm going to turn this into an improper fraction. 3/4 divided by 2/1. Time to keep, change, flip. And say it in your head. Keep, change, flip. 3/4, change to multiply. Flip that over. Multiply straight across. 3, 8. So, if I take this, 3/4 divided by 2, 1, 2, 3, 3/8. That's the picture. Keep, change, flip. One other thing, if you start with a fraction in your problem, you end with a fraction. If you start with a whole number, you end with a whole number. So if you have a whole number and you start with a fraction, you're wrong. If you started with a fraction and you end with a whole number, you're wrong, and you know you're wrong. And I will tell you, when you take a star test, there will be 2 answers that will be the whole number if this is a fraction. Those are 2 that you can get rid of right off the bat. So that is division of fraction by a whole number.